Maandalizi makubwa yameshuhudiwa ndani ya jumba la biashara ya BBS Mall mtaani Eastleigh jijini Nairobi, huku maduka mbalimbali yakipambwa kwa mavazi mapya, manukato pamoja na vifaa maalum vya Eid. Wafanyabiashara hapa wakipokea idadi kubwa ya wanunuzi katika jengo hilo.
The mall has taken off in a big way within a year, and most of the spaces, or rather all the spaces available for letting, have been taken up within a year, which is a record that has never happened in Nairobi. BBS Mall, in terms of size, is the biggest mall in Eastern Central Africa, and it has got all the facilities required for shopping, for entertainment, and for social services, including a mosque with a capacity of over 5,000 people. And the mosque and the other social services have met an outstanding need that existed in Eastleigh. For instance, we've got over 3,000 parking spaces. A lot of times people used to come to Eastleigh for shopping. The challenges they faced was where to leave your car, as you're aware. But currently, as I said, we've got over 3,000 parking spaces. It also has got bathroom facilities, the largest number of bathroom facilities you will find in any building, I believe, in Kenya, which has got over 300 bathroom cubicles that have got all the necessary facilities and tools, and which are constantly cleaned. The mall itself has got over 1,500 businesses, and over 10,000 people come to work at the mall every day. In addition to that, in terms of footfall, or people who come for shopping, entertainment, or the eateries, the mall has got a daily visitor range of between 15,000 to 25,000, depending on whether it's the weekdays or the weekend. It has got the highest footfall in Nairobi of any mall.
Katika sekta ya bidhaa za manukato, wauzaji wa udi nao hawajaachwa nyuma, wakisema biashara imeimarika kwa kiasi kikubwa kuelekea kwenye sikukuu ya Eidul Fitr.
Welcome to Muna Oud. Muna Oud is based in BBS Mall, ground floor, GFE 128. Welcome guys. As we had before, we had the Ramadan offer. We're gonna continue it. We're gonna continue with the offer until Eid. Inshallah, after Eid, we'll go back to our normal price. We still have offer on our lotions. Remember, we have two types of lotions. Remember, it's still on offer. We still have offer on our body butters. Here we are, and more products are here. So come, you'll get, these are the hair mist. We have the hair polishes. We still have offer. Please come over and let's enjoy the Eid together, inshallah. For our Muslim friends, Muslim family, Eid Mubarak.
Hali kadhalika, wafanyabiashara wa mavazi wanasema mahitaji yameongezeka, huku familia nyingi zikijitahidi kuhakikisha wanakaribisha Eid kwa mandhari ya kuvutia.
I'd like to say Eid Mubarak and Ramadan Kareem to everyone who is celebrating. Anam Fashion, we're located on BBS Mall first floor and opposite Masjid Al Hidayah, Muratina Street. We sell all sorts of clothing items from men, kids to ladies, everything that you can possibly need under one roof. And we're currently on a discount for the last remaining few days of Ramadan, so we hope that you take advantage of our ongoing sale, and Eid Mubarak.
Wakati huo huo, uongozi wa BBS Mall umeimarisha usalama kwa kiasi kikubwa, ikiwa ni pamoja na kuongeza kwa ulinzi na ufuatiliaji wa karibu ndani na nje ya jengo.
Invested in ensuring the security of both the shoppers and our shops, and the security is both overt and covert. The clear one that everyone will see is the armed police guards, which are over 25 on daily basis, that are located in the mall. I've got similar or larger number that are in plain clothes. That's in terms of personnel. We've got also equipment, including CCTV surveillance 24 hours. All the cars that come into the mall thoroughly searched, including with sniffer dogs that will detect any explosives or guns that may be carried into the mall. The mall has got also detection and screening equipment in all the entrances, which covers for pedestrians who walk in, where checks are performed as well, and their luggage they're carrying or any baggage they're carrying checked. So the mall has got, as I would think, probably the tightest security you could get in any mall in Nairobi.
Misikiti iliyoko ndani ya jengo hilo la BBS Mall imekaribisha zaidi ya waumini 10,000 kusherehekea sikukuu ya Eidul Fitri.
I would like to welcome everybody and all our tenants, all our clients, all our customers to BBS Mall, where security and safety is always at the top notch. We have assured the safety and security of our tenants, clients, customers during these festive Eid days, and I say Eid Mubarak to everyone. Welcome to BBS Mall, the biggest mall in East and Central Africa, where security and safety is at top notch.
Kituo hii ya ununuzi ya BBS Mall inaendelea kushamiri na kuwa kitovu muhimu ya uchumi na kutoa ajira kwa wakazi wengi wa maeneo ya Eastleigh.
Baada ya kukamilika kwa mwezi mtukufu wa Ramadhan, hali ya utulivu, mashikamano na furaha imetawala, huku viongozi wa dini na viongozi wa kisiasa wakitoa wito kwa kudumisha amani, kusaidiana na kuimarisha umoja wa jamii.
Pleased today to participate and to attend the Eid prayer been held at the Eastleigh area, particularly BBS Mall, where we join to pray with thousands of Muslim faithful who today praying Eid holiday. Eid Ramadan. Eid comes at the end of month of Ramadan, month of discipline, month of gratitude, and therefore it allows for us today express our feeling, our happiness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I congratulate all Muslims around the world, particularly Somalis around the world, wherever they are. Eid Mubarak.
Bali na ununuzi, BBS Mall pia imeandaa vifutio mbalimbali kwa familia, ikiwa pamoja na maeneo ya watoto kucheza, migahawa ya kisasa pamoja na huduma za kifahari kwa wageni.
We welcome you to BBS Mall to celebrate Eid with us. As we are doing the preparation, we have a kids play area around here where you can bring your kids to enjoy, have fun and have a moment to remember.
Afisa mkuu mtendaji wa BBS Mall ametoa wito kwa wananchi kudumisha utulivu katika kipindi chochote cha maadhimisho.
On behalf of myself and our chairman as well as our staff, BBS Mall extends warm greetings to all the Muslim community. Eid Mubarak to the forthcoming Eid, and we will be welcoming you and wish to see you here. We've got, as I said, a big mosque located here. You can perform your Eid prayers here, and subsequent to that, partake in all the offerings we have here in terms of entertainment, events, Eid forecast, as well as shopping opportunity, eateries, and all the requirements for you to have a fulfilling day. So you're most welcome. I would like to have take this opportunity therefore to say, please visit BBS Mall and start your Eid celebrations here.
Aidha, mmiliki wa BBS Mall Sheikh Abdiweli ametuma salamu zake za Eid kwa waumini wote kote ulimwenguni, akiwatakia sikukuu yenye amani, furaha na mafanikio.